Ayan, ang buko nagtatayuan. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial. Ayan, it's going to be a makeup transformation. Ayan, so for the past few days, few weeks, puro shorts lang yung ating in-upload. But today, naisipan ko mag-full makeup tutorial naman tayo. So today, ayan, it's going to be a makeup tutorial. Ayan, so ang ganitong look, bagay na bagay ito sa mga gusto mag-celebrate dyan ng Christmas, yung mga mag-attend ng dinner, or ng mga party, kung ano pang party dyan, kasi malapit naman na yung Christmas. So, pwedeng-pwede tayong mag-makeup ng ganitong look. Today, ayan, I wanna share with you how I made this makeup look, and also what are the products I use to achieve this makeup. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng mga mamahaling products para magkaroon ng magandang makeup. O, diba? So, without further ado, let's start. Okay, so, first na ginamit natin is itong primer. So, this is from Catrice. Tapos, I'm going to start using my foundation. So, this is from Maybelline. Blend na natin siya. Ang next natin is Instant Age Rewind Eraser. So, this is concealer from Maybelline. Ayan. So, i-concealer natin. Okay. Then, i-blend natin siya ulit. Ayan. So, next natin is i-contour natin ang ating fans. Okay. So, next natin is gagamitin natin itong palette. I'm so excited. Ayan. So, parang ayaw ko sanang gamitin itong palette nito kasi mahal to. Gamitin ko lang ito kasi baka mag-expire na. And so, for the transition color, I'm going to use this shade. Ayan. To use this concealer. So, yun ang ilalagay natin sa ating lid. Maglalagay lang tayo ng konting bronzer. Okay. And then, sa ating ilong. And then, for my blush, I'm using this Maxi Blush from Rimmel. maglalagay lang tayo ng kunting highlighter sa ating cheekbone.